Saison Electronics is one of the leading wire harness assembly manufacturers with a capacity to produce highly customized wire harness assemblies for various industries. We assemble wiring harnesses for automotive, consumer electronics and appliances, industrial applications, power tools, medical equipment, portable devices, computers, as well as make unique specialty cables designed to accommodate the most complex data and power transfer. Our quality engineering and manufacturing expertise and client support have gained us recognition around the world, and many industry leaders have chosen Saison as their preferred wiring component supplier. Our robust manufacturing capacity allows us to produce millions of wiring harness pieces every month, as well as accommodate client demands for highly customized, smaller order quantities. Working closely with our expert engineering team allows you to both save on cost while outsourcing components and get help while designing the ultimate custom connectivity solution. Our logistics are superb. We take care of every step in accommodating your production schedule and always deliver orders on time. We have been manufacturing and shipping wiring harnesses since 1985 all over the world to both manufacturers and distributors. Saison, quality, service, experience. Let's connect the world together.